we've seen about the various sources or the energy resources. Let's talk little about the minerals here. As far as the minerals are concerned, you must know that they are all non-renewable in nature. Once extracted, once used, they cannot be reused. They are exhaustible. Definitely when they are non-renewable, they have to be exhaustible. And they are very unevenly distributed. That is, you find minerals somewhere in huge quantity and somewhere in very low quantity in India. Then these are needed for industrial development, and when they are needed for industrial development, they contribute to the economic development of the country. Therefore, we need to conserve the minerals. So, immediately what we see is, since they are non-renewable, so they are exhaustible, they are unevenly distributed, used in the industries, adding to the economic development of the country. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to conserve or preserve the minerals. Minerals are used everywhere, whether it is in making of utensils, cosmetics, jewelry, buildings, automobiles or machines. Everywhere mineral is a requirement. And even the food that we consume has some or the other mineral. And of all the sectors, when we talk of the primary, secondary or tertiary, actually have the usage of mineral in them. So, minerals are very important. But before I sum up with the chapter, I would like to tell you about the types of non-conventional sources of energy that are available today. The first is the solar energy, the one which we get from the sun. It is in abundant and it is renewable. Anybody can use it, and it is a free gift of nature. It can be used for cooking, and the biggest example that I can quote here is that in the Bhuj district of Gujarat, the solar energy is used for sterilizing the milk cans. The next is the wind energy. The next non-conventional source of energy is the wind energy. This wind energy can be used for pumping water in the irrigation and generation of electricity. And I told you about the various wind farms in the 1 mark question that I told you where they are found. Just try and recollect the wind farms available in India in which states, 1 mark question that I told you. Then the tidal source of energy. The tidal source of energy is best harnessed in the Gulf of Kutch and at Cambay. Next, we have the geothermal energy. The geothermal source of energy is found in the hot springs. And the best example, in which many of you must have seen, is the Parvati Valley that is there in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, where you find these hot springs. Lot of geothermal energy is produced there. And even in the Puga Valley near Ladakh, we find the springs. Then the biogas. Remember the terms that I told you? What is bioenergy? The biogas. And where is it used? It is used in domestic purposes. And it is being extracted, it is being taken out from the human waste, animal waste and other such waste which are available. So, this was all about the chapter Minerals and Energy Resources. Thank you.